Hey guys, it's Kurt, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of DIYs I've been putting together since our last DIY video that we did for the bedroom decor. The last video I did for bedroom decor was actually these little DIY pin holders that you see behind me, and I do have a DIY for how to make the jewelry holder behind me. If you guys want to see those, I will leave a link down below in the description for you. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to show you just a couple of the things I've been doing recently. I don't have actual video recording to show you guys how I put these things together because I have all of my recordings on my camera, and unfortunately the software I use to transfer my camera's videos over to my cell phone so I can edit and upload them is just not up to date with the latest iPhone version like updates. So yeah, unfortunately nothing's transferring over, so I'm re-recording just a little kind of like chatty video just to show, like, to tell you guys how to make these things. They're super easy. That's why I'm a little bit more confident with being able to just tell you guys about it because I already made them myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through how I made these. Super easy, guys, I promise. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I put together for my bedroom was actually this little jewelry holder, and I use this right now to hold my chokers because we did make a jewelry holder, which is this one right here, but unfortunately I didn't make it long enough to be able to support holding my chokers. Like right now I have like my bracelets and simple like kind of bangles and stuff, and I have my little pusheen because I secretly love a lot of cutesy characters. But anyway, yeah, so I have like most of my jewelry here, but unfortunately because of the length of my shelf I wasn't able to fit my chokers on here, which sucks for me because I don't really have a lot of chokers, but I definitely wanted a way to be able to hold them like and kind of put like a little bit of a visual to show people all my chokers that come in here. So yeah, all I did for this was I found a platter. You can use a large plate or something like sorry, my hand's shaking. You guys can use a large plate for this as well and just wash it and spray paint it whatever color it is you want, and you'll get something similar, similar effect. But I just found this one at the store around Halloween time. I believe this was after Halloween when everything was on clearance, but I'm not sure. But for sure that's when I found this. And then I got this skull-shaped candle. I got this from Target around Halloween time too, but they do sell these online as well. So I will leave a link to that if I could find one for myself. And then I also have this candle because I love candles. You can never have enough candles. This one is Purple Sand by Mainstays. I don't like this brand of candles just because of the fact that it kind of has a powerful smell, and I don't want to get a headache because my room's small and it'll just really kind of like be a concentration of this smell. But I have it there for visual just because I love the purples. And then I got these purple roses. You could get these from your local craft store, or I believe Walmart has these too in their little section. They have like a floral section, so you guys could definitely check that out and find the colors scheme for your own bedroom. I believe Mainstay is also well, probably not, but Walmart does have their own candles as well. So if you guys want to check that out, you can probably get all the stuff to make this project just at Walmart itself. But it's super easy to put together. And then all of my chokers are here. They're kind of like scattered everywhere. I could have made them all nice and organized, but no time for that. I just kind of like, as soon as I get home from whatever it is I'm doing, I just throw them off and just, yeah. So that's why it's a little bit disorganized right now, but that is the first DIY I've put together since our last video. And then the second DIY is this little garland right here. This is actually a ribbon garland that I found off of Pinterest, and sorry, I'm trying to get off my bed. But yeah, and it has all these ribbons on here, and I'm not too sure if I've shown you guys my whole ribbon collection, but I had so many of them, and I was just collecting them, and I was kind of hoarding on all these ribbons and lace, and I was trying to find a way to make use of them without having to like throw them away or give them away. So I just went ahead and made this garland from them, and it's super easy to make. All you have to do is use one piece of ribbon, measure out the area that you want to put your garland at, and cut accordingly. Leave about 2 or 3 inches extra just so that way you'd be able to tie them, or you'd be able to, I don't know if you're putting it over a wall or something, but you can always thumbtack them onto the wall. I had to use these little wreath hangers that you could also get from Walmart, and I went ahead and just did a really firm knot to the top of them just to be able to support my garland without me having to puncture the wall. And I really love the way that this made my mirror look. It added a lot of like personality to it. And I also went ahead, and I'm pretty sure you guys are able to see that I put these stickers all along the borders of my mirror. I love the skeleton sticker. All of these stickers, well, most of them, like these little bats here, are from a YouTuber friend of mine called Zombie Baby. Except for this one here. This one I found at Michael's, but I'm pretty sure you guys can find Halloween stickers at your local craft store still. They're probably even on clearance. But yeah, so I got all the stickers from her, and they have also right here there are some of my tags that I got off of the brands that I purchased from. I love the ones right here from Dolls Kill. I love that little rose and Kill Star, of course. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. And Sugar Pill. Also got Current Mood right here. But yeah, so I just did this to add some personality to my mirror because I felt like, I don't know, I just kind of felt like adding a pop of color to my bedroom, but it's super easy. And what I did to hold the ribbons onto the base is actually I stapled them on here. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. But I don't mind the look of that. It's super easy to do too because I didn't have to worry about glue and stuff. But if you guys want, you could cover that up with another piece of ribbon, just if you want it to have like a more professional look. But for me personally, I don't really care for that. So yeah, that's how I made this one. I definitely want to add more ribbon onto it as I go, but I'm just glad I found a way to finally make use of all my little ribbons here. And even too, if you guys decide you want to use them for a project finally, like me where I was just like stashing them, you guys can always just use it and just pluck it right off the garland, and it won't really affect it too much. So yeah, but that is it for that DIY. Just some simple little things that I've been adding to my bedroom, but I like it. So yeah, that's it for my 2 DIYs I wanted to show you guys. Like I said, I do want to do more DIYs, but I just want to move my room around first before I try to do anything like big to like my walls or anything. So yeah, just for now, that's going to be it for my DIYs, at least for the bedroom decor. I don't know about clothing. I kind of want to make some more garters, more harnesses and stuff. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but definitely thinking about making some more of those. And yeah, so that's about it for my video today. Just for now, we're going to be recording with my cell phone instead of using my camera, just because of the fact that I'm waiting for them to update the Canon camera software so that way I could transfer my videos onto my phone. I don't have a laptop or anything right now, and I definitely can't afford it yet, so just for now, you guys gotta work with me. The quality might suck for a minute, but I'm working on getting a good microphone so that way I could record my voice a little bit better. I don't know. I think that the iPhone's mic recording is kind of terrible. It might not be so bad in this video today, but yeah, usually it kind of sucks. Like my last video, I didn't really like the way the mic sounded, and that was on my cell phone. So if you guys noticed, the quality and the sound of the video sucks for a little bit. Yeah, sorry about that. But for now, we're just gonna have to wait until Canon updates their software. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway, and I will see you guys in the next video hopefully these DIYs were helpful and they inspired you to create something yourself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!